We are pleased to show you the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.